Hi, boys and girls. Our read aloud for today is Caterpillar to Butterfly. We're going to continue our focus on the animal life cycle. Caterpillar to Butterfly, written by Camilla de la Bador. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is a type of insect. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, making 6 legs all together. The wings of a butterfly are covered in many tiny scales. The scales are usually patterned and colored. Insect bodies are divided into 3 parts. The head is the front part, and it has eyes and a mouth. So here you can see the diagram. Here's the head, the eyes, and now let's read about the rest of the body. The thorax is the middle part of the body. So here's the thorax. This is where the legs and the wings are attached. The abdomen, right here, is the back part where the insect digests its food. So you can see the 3 parts up close: the head, thorax, abdomen. The story of a butterfly. Butterflies flutter around the plants. Female butterflies look for a place to lay their eggs. The eggs will hatch into caterpillars. Later, the caterpillars will change into butterflies. Here is stage 1. A butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle: the egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. Oftentimes, we call the caterpillar stage the larva stage. Those words are interchangeable. Same for pupa. Sometimes we say the chrysalis stage, and those are interchangeable. The story of how an egg grows into an adult butterfly is called a life cycle. A new life begins. In spring, a female butterfly searches for somewhere safe to lay her eggs. She lays them under the leaves where they are hidden from view. So here they are, underneath the leaf. Monarch butterflies lay their eggs on milkweed plants. The eggs stick to the leaves. Different types of butterflies lay their eggs on different plants. Peacock butterflies choose nettles. These plants have stinging hairs. The stings stop animals from eating the nettles and the eggs. Nettles are a safe place for peacock butterflies to lay their eggs. The eggs hatch. A few days later, the eggs hatch and a tiny yellow caterpillar comes out of each one. Caterpillars spend most of their time eating so that they grow quickly. Monarch caterpillars become striped as they grow. A pupa is usually green or gray, so it is difficult to see on a plant. This is another example of camouflage. The pupa is tough on the outside to protect the insect inside. Inside the pupa, the caterpillar gradually changes. A butterfly appears. After about 2 weeks, the pupa of the monarch butterfly becomes darker in color. So here you can see the progression right here in the corner. It says the orange wings of the butterfly can be seen inside. The pupa cracks open. The butterfly crawls out. It sits on an empty pupa case. Then it spreads its wings so that they can dry. Take a look at this. Here's the male butterfly, and you can see the male's dark spot on the wing. The butterfly has to rest for a few hours before it can fly. An adult butterfly does not grow anymore. Male and female monarchs look similar, but males have small dark spots on their back wings. Butterfly life. Butterflies float around searching for food in grassy and woodland areas or places where there are flowers. All butterflies feed on sweet, sugary nectar that they find inside flowers. The female lays her eggs one at a time. Once the female butterfly lays her eggs, a new life cycle begins. Adults usually live for only 2 to 5 weeks. A long journey. As the summer comes to an end, monarch butterflies start an amazing journey called migration. They fly to warmer places. The journey can cover thousands of miles and takes more than 2 months. Millions of monarch butterflies spend the winter resting on trees. In springtime, the butterflies set off to their summer homes. On the way, they lay eggs. Their young change into butterflies and continue the journey. The monarch butterflies wake up when warm weather arrives. And that is the story, Caterpillar to Butterfly.